What's up everyone, I'm your host Corey, and today's the day I finally finished my PS2 portable. You may have seen this before on my old channel, but if not, I'll leave a link to the original video in the description below. Just be warned, the quality is terrible, but without any further ado, let's get into it. I started building this portable back in October of 2019, and I finished it in November of the same year, or so I thought. As it turned out, I have no idea what I'm doing with the charging circuit, so right after I made that video, the batteries died and I had no way of charging it. So I put it in my closet with the hopes of one day picking it back up again. Well, today's that day, so I went on Amazon and I ordered some 18650 battery sleds. The idea is that since I still have no idea how to make a proper charging circuit, I'm just going to make the batteries removable so that they can be charged using an external charger. So jumping straight into the disassembly process, I designed this project to be easily serviced, so it's as simple as removing the 4 outermost Phillips head screws. Now I can just tilt the faceplate forward and we're in. As you can see, I've already removed the batteries. I did this to prevent over-discharging the batteries since it was going to be sitting for a while. Before I start installing the battery sleds, I will warn you that this is going to be a really sketchy install, because this thing is a mess inside and I don't want to take the whole thing apart, so I'm just going to connect the batteries using the existing battery wires. Before I install the new battery sleds, I'm going to trim the clips so that the batteries are easier to remove. Now before I turn the console on, I just want to mention that I do understand the dangers of using unprotected batteries, and I don't recommend you using this video as a tutorial. This video is strictly for entertainment purposes only, and I'm not held responsible if you injure yourself while playing with batteries. With that out of the way, it's finally time for the moment of truth. Will it still turn on? Awesome. Now I'm going to cover the ports using some parts I designed, as I don't plan on ever using them. This includes the power jack, as I only plan to use it on battery power. finally I need to print a knob for the volume pot. And here it is. The only thing left to do now is to replace the LCD, since it has some liquid damage. But I'll save that for another video as I'm low on funds right now and can't afford a new LCD at the moment. And if anyone's wondering, the LCD I'm using is a 7-inch 480p screen from one of those cheap backup camera monitors on Amazon. And the PS2 I used was the earlier model PS2 Slim, from before they started using smaller motherboards, hence the reason this thing is so big. But this was my first portable build and I'm proud of it regardless of how big it is or how bad the internals look. And adding to that, I think it's a pretty impressive feat that I did it all for under $100. Before I end the video, I'm sure some of you are wondering what the battery life is like. Well, I'm using three 2500 mAh 18650 lithium ion batteries wired in series, meaning the battery pack should be putting out 11.1 volts. The actual voltage is closer to 12 volts. This is a perfectly safe voltage for the PS2 Slim. As I mentioned before, I'm using the batteries with no over discharge protection, but I think it will be fine since the PS2 will shut off due to insufficient power before the battery cells reach their minimum safe voltage. All that being said, I get a pretty decent play session at about 3 hours on a full charge. Charging is done using one of these IntelliCharger i4s and takes about 5 hours for a full charge. But that about wraps it up for this one. So if you liked the video, hit that button. If you have any suggestions for future videos, be sure to let me know down in the comments below. And if you want to see more content like this, be sure to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you won't miss any future videos. So as always, I hope to see you in the next one. Later.